Hello, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Ekatrina Sotomayor. For my key concept presentation, I would like to share the power of search set building, an advanced search technique useful to both novice and experienced searchers. So what is set building exactly? Set building is the process of searching for terms or concepts one at a time and then using Boolean operators to combine relevant search results. Although it is more time-consuming than keyword searching, set building allows you to identify which elements of your searches provide the best results, thus allowing you to search more systematically and strategically. You can quickly see, for example, if a search for your term is more successful as a subject search, or if you get better results searching the same term in an abstract or other field. Set building is particularly powerful when your search requires using multiple synonyms for a single concept. For example, when you're researching complex topics, using full-text databases, or databases with uneven indexing. It can also be a big help when searches fail, because it allows you to see which elements of your search aren't working. Well, that sounds amazing. How do I start? The first step is to plan your search, breaking down your topic into individual concepts. At this point, it will be helpful to brainstorm synonyms, check thesaurus for preferred terms, and mine any Perl articles for relevant search terms. It is also smart to make a list or chart of your key concepts and their synonyms, or to use a concept blocking tool like the University of Missouri's Search Strategy Builder. The next step is to search for each term or concept one at a time. This is where your lists of synonyms come in handy. To search concepts with multiple synonyms, you can write a single search statement that links individual synonyms with the Boolean OR operator. For example, if you need to find information on teenagers, you might search for teenagers or teens or young adults or adolescents. When using a single search field, it is important to remember to enclose or and statements within parentheses, as well as to enclose phrases, like young adults, within quotation marks. This avoids confusing the database about what you're looking for. Once you have all of your synonyms linked into an OR statement, run a search in your field of choice, a subject, title, or abstract field, for example, then take note of your results and adjust accordingly. If a search doesn't retrieve much in the first field type you chose, continue running the search in other fields until you get better retrieval. If you received too many or too few results, consider deleting terms or adding additional synonyms and running the searches again. Next, repeat these first two steps with the other concepts you identified and decide which concept sets to combine using Boolean operators. If you're retrieving a good number of records for your searches, you're ready to AND search sets and focus your results. If not, you may need to try adding terms or try adding different synonym strings. Next, combine search sets using the Boolean operators from the advanced search screen. In many databases, this can be done from your search history page by clicking on the checkboxes directly to the left of each search set result and selecting the AND or buttons. You can also manually combine search sets identified by their S or search set number by typing them directly into the search box. Note that while it's often wise to combine search sets one at a time, you can also combine multiple search sets into a single search query. For example, S3 or S7 and S12. Finally, for each combined set, review your results and apply any necessary filters to limit your results by document type, date range, subject, or other useful metric. At this point, you will likely have arrived at search results that either match your research question or provide Perl articles from which you can expand or refine your search. If not, you can continue the process of combining sets and/or modifying search terms and search fields until you find something useful. Finally, it is important to note that set building is not supported in all databases, but it can be done in many subscription databases with advanced search forms that also allow you to view your search history. These include Dialog and Web of Science, as well as many ProQuest and EBSCO databases. Note, however, that in ProQuest databases, you must manually combine search sets by typing the search set numbers and Boolean operators into the command line search box. Thank you for your time today. I hope that you will give search set building a try and learn to love it as much as I do.